everyone. 2 cards are drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one after the other without replacement. We're going to draw a tree diagram and find these probabilities. Both are diamond. The first is diamond, and then the second is not a diamond. And then the last case, one is a diamond, the other is not a diamond. It's kind of like the second one there. So let's draw our tree diagram first. Illustrating diamonds and not diamonds. So start over here. Draw the branches. And this is going to be diamond, not diamond. So this is the first card you draw. So to draw a diamond, you look at the diamonds here. There's 13 out of 52, because there's 52 of this. So that's going to be 13 out of 52. Now, not diamond is these. And you just subtract 13 from 52, and you get 39 out of 52. Now, after you draw the first, you're going to draw the second. So you can either get a diamond or not diamond, diamond or not diamond. All right, so let's look at this. If you draw a diamond here, then you draw a second diamond and you didn't replace it, that means you only have 51 cards and you also only have 12 diamonds. If you draw a diamond, then not a diamond, you still only have 51 cards, but you still have 39 not diamonds because you didn't draw a not diamond the first time. All right, for the second part, not diamond, then diamond. So you still have 13 diamonds if you didn't draw a diamond the first time, but there's only 51 cards because you already drew one card out. And then a not diamond, you didn't draw it the first time, so there's only 38 out of 51. All right. So basically these are our sample spaces. You have diamond, 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 not diamond, not diamond, diamond, and not diamond, not diamond. And you're using your counting principle to multiply these. So diamond, diamond, and I'm going to go ahead and write 13 out of 52 as 1/4. So that's going to be 1/4 times 12 divided by 51. Now, 4 goes into 12 3 times. So that's just going to be 3 divided by 51, or you can use a calculator. All right. Now, the second one, diamond, not diamond, that's 13 out of 52, which again is 1/4, times 39 out of 52. So that's going to be, let's see, 1/2 times 39 out of 51, sorry. That equals 39 divided by, where did I do that one? Let's just go, that's 39 out of 204. That reduces to 13 out of 68. All right. Now, let's do not diamond and diamond. So that one's going to be exactly the same as this one. That you get it, it's switched around, but it's 39 out of 52 times 13 out of 51. It's still changed because you can do the 1/4 times that. So that's going to be 13 out of 68. I'm just reducing it here. It's this number there. All right. And then the last one. Not diamond, not diamond. So that's 39 out of 52 times 38 out of 51. All right. And I don't think I did that one, but that's, let's see, that's not one of the questions. So basically, the first question says both are diamond. There's only one place where both are diamond, right here. So the answer to this one is going to be 3 out of 51. All right. Now let's do the next one. Whoops. Let me go back. Okay, so the next one is the first is a diamond and the second is not a diamond. That one is this one. So that one's going to be the 13 out of 68. So this one's going to be 13, I'll put it here, out of 68, reduced. All right. Now let's do the last one. So the last one, and I'll go ahead and erase this, is one is a diamond and the other is not. So that is both of these. You can either do the diamond first or the not diamond, or you can do that. So you're basically multiplying 13. They're both 13 divided by 68. So you just multiply that by 2, and you're going to get, let's see, 2 times 13 out of 68. And that's going to give you, what's my answer there? 39 out of 102. All right. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.